Good day everyone, I am Cariel B. Tolentino and today we are going to talk about social dimensions of education. First, we are going to talk about the origins of sociology of education. The sociology of education is the study on how social institutions and individual experiences affects education and its outcomes. There are two fathers of sociology of education. A French sociologist named Émile Durkheim, whose work on moral education was used as a basis for social solidarity, and a German sociologist named Max Weber. Sociologists see education as one of the major institutions that constitutes society, while theories guide research and policy formulation in the sociology of education. Sociology, from the Latin prefix socius, meaning companion, the suffix ology, meaning the study of, from the Greek word logos, means knowledge. So sociology is the systematic study of society, wherein it encompasses all the elements of society, such as social stratification, social relation, social interaction, and culture. Here we have society. Society is where people in general thought of as living together in organized communities with shared laws, traditions, and values. Next, we have education. Education is a broad concept referring to all the experiences in which learners can learn something. It is a social endeavor designed to get the maximum from the ability of each of the members of the society. It covers both teaching, learning of knowledge, and values. According to some sociologists, society has two phases: the phase of consensus and the phase of conflict.
Consensus and conflict theory. Consensus theory emphasizes harmony, integration, and stability. However, conflict theory stresses conflict, struggle, and change. Under consensus theory, we have functionalist theory, which believes harmony is necessary for society to function effectively, which means that society requires shared norms and values for it to function properly. In conflict theory, we have Marxism. Marxism believes that it is the bourgeoisie, which is the middle class family or middle class people, that impose idea and control what happens in the society, and proletariat, which is the lower class family or people in the society, have no say or control. Next, on consensus theory, we have values consensus. This is shared values which are agreed upon by society as a whole. Common acceptance of laws, rules, and norms. Next, we have that conflict theorists believe that values are imposed on society by powerful groups and that there is no agreement amongst less dominant groups on what constitutes societies and values. Here we have the conflict theory model, where the conflict model is concerned with the stresses and conflicts that emerge in society because of competitions over scarce resources. It focuses on the inequalities that are built into social structures rather than on those that emerge because of personal characteristics. To sum it all up, consensus theory is concerned with the maintenance or continuation of social order in the society in relation to accepted norms, values, rules, and regulations as widely accepted by the society. While in conflict theory is the struggle between social classes and class conflicts between the powerful and less powerful groups. Conflict theory sees social life as a competition and focuses on the distribution of resources, power, and inequality. And this perspective is derived from the works of Karl Marx, who saw society as fragmented into groups that compete for social and economic resources.
That is all for today. Thank you for watching and listening.